what a boring day. I hate the rain. But oh, hey everyone. It's Sonic here today. Who scared me? Oh, so you've been asking for more videos from me then. So, let's get to it then. Intro. Okay guys, we are going to talk about why is this happening, about secret history. Yeah, really. Blaze, can you take my son somewhere? Sure. Come on, Sonic Jr. Okay. Thanks, Blaze. You're welcome. I'm coming up. There we go. Okay. Listen. What is this problem then? Why are you coming to tell us? I'm calling this video about... It's going to be called The Boring Rain. The Boring Rain. That's what we're going to call it. That's it. For the video. Great. Okay. We're just waiting for one more guest. I think he's coming. Here's Will. Hey everyone. Yeah, let's just get to it and then go. Okay, Jet, we just need to do this. Haven't seen you for a while. Hey everyone, never seen you guys for a while. Because everyone doesn't want me in this video. I know, Jet, but that's the problem. Your problem. Yeah, your problem. Yep, that's a problem. Okay, guys, listen. The reason is... I got a text for today, for all of the history, for you, Sonic. This guy wants to help us. He said he wants to show us at this house. This is the village. You can get there with Shadow and Tails. Wait, I'm going? Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be cool. So, when is this happening? Soon. You just need to get the green color, and that's it. And then go. Brilliant. That's it. The green color is only in Chinatown. Yeah, Chinatown. That's the only problem is. So, I don't know why this keeps happening to me. Well, you mean the colors are the feeling of it? Yeah, the feeling of it. Because I think when those history people they're involved by the colors, they are... I can see them. I saw it, Nelson. I saw it, the Earth. That's what I saw too. How come I don't? There's a reason. My blood and Shadow's blood have ancestors from the past of history. Your ancestors might be true, Sonic. I'm gonna come and help. I'm gonna come and help this week. So, don't mind me in the view. Yeah, so I know why I'm not coming up for this. I didn't want to call for Jet for this. Who called him? I did. Oh, come on, Will. Why did you call him? He's our only chance left. Fine. Just for our chance. Help. Should we bring Omega here? No, Omega Cities doesn't want to help. Said he wants to just keep himself on his own for a while. Great, so no time. So what we gotta think about is to go there? Listen, guys. I noticed Rowan was evil, right? He was after it. He was after those colors. What is he after? He's after them. But the history might be stronger than him. Those colors might be powerful, Sonic. Against the evil. That's why we can destroy pure darkness. Pure darkness. Maybe there's something what Rowan has. Something dark. Probably he doesn't have it. Probably he's trying to use it again. Probably he's using them colors to destroy him and corrupt him into evil. But that's not going to happen. That's why I have no job to help you. That's why I'm only your assistant now. So this is what we are doing. Right. Listen, Will, we need to do this. We got all this to do. We are not going to sit down and we are not going to rest until we get all these colors before it's too late. Sonic is right. Sonic is right. Sonic must be in charge of this. I think he's got to be in charge. What should we call Sonic? I don't know. I've got an idea. Commander. No, Captain. No, Sir. Guys, you three are fighting over it. What about Master? Maybe Tails is the winner. Captain? Captain? I'll be a captain. That's it. I'll be a captain. I'll be a captain then. Sonic, you are the captain. Captain of them colors. Thank you. So what should we do, Captain Sonic? I don't know. Well, you can keep doing on the speech, right? Okay. Listen, everyone. I know now we gotta try and do our best for our work here. But now, Sonic is gonna lead you for this. To lead you with them colors and protect them. I'll be here again for the next month, and then I'll try and route to talk to you. But because I've got my exams. Ooh, the art exam. How's the art exam getting on? How did it get on Thursday? I didn't get mistakes. Got well. Hope you get a B. Or an A star, I don't know. Get a B. B is the best. Yeah, get a B. It's the only record you can get. Yeah, okay, guys. Thanks. How did the maths exam? What about the maths one? It was just a maths test. I don't know what happened. I did well. I found it tough. Couldn't think. Well, don't worry, Will. I did exams. I didn't think it was going to be easy. I did as well. I couldn't put up with it. Me neither. My head tells me a few things about exams. One, exams are tiring and hard for me. But exams are okay. Just do well. It's not bad for your exam. Yeah, we'll support you. Okay, so you know what we should do? Support Will for the art exam. See if he can do it So you gotta do it on first, haven't you? I did it last week, but I can do it again. Are you gonna do it on the next paper? On the black paper? Yeah, gonna do it. I have a few questions. How on earth do you do an art exam? Art exam? You just draw you just draw shapes, anything. Do any kind of stuff. Like, in life, a design, a model, anything. That's what it looks like. Actually, history. Actually, Sonic, history can be about art, too. Isn't art meant to be not a history? But it is, isn't it? It is a history, guys. I heard. Oh, those histories can be really great. But isn't the history what we're talking about is about war and battles? Yes. It's about battles. It's about battles. All of it. It's true. Some World War II, World War One, medieval, ships and everything. Ghosts? No, not ghosts. Okay, not ghosts then. So anything what is history can be our ancestors who fighted. That's true, Knuckles. The ancestors are your only thing to help. So I have one of my ancestors' blood then? You have their bloods, Knuckles. Right. Tails, I'm a genius. That's what I am. I'm a genius. I'm a technicolor genius because I make my... You know what I'm thinking? I'll think about making a helicopter for Sonic. You know, to drive so because he's my... Because you are my captain. You're my captain now. Listen up, guys. We all gotta do a job here. We only have one chance to save the Earth again. You only have one chance, Sonic. Get the colors and then it's done. It's over. Stop. Stop rowing. Stop pure darkness of evil. Wait. What about that black hedgehog looks like me? Android Shadow. The Faker. Don't think he's a darkness. But we found it out about Dark. Dark! Dark might be one of them. Maybe Dark is. Maybe he is. He may be a villain. He may be the pure darkness. He might have. Maybe when he was Doom Hedgehog. Maybe when Doom Hedgehog was around. He must have took over Rowan's body. Somehow. And he probably couldn't remember his real name, probably. Maybe he has a real name. Maybe a real name, I don't know, Jackson? Or Jimmy? Or, okay, not any of those words. Probably an alien name. Probably from space. Probably look like another familiar human. Right. A familiar human. Right. Cool. Okay, so this meeting might be ending now. So, one more question. This is the last questions about the history. You'll be going to this house soon, Sonic. But not this week. Okay, not this week. When? Next week, probably. And I gotta tell you this, Sonic. What is that? Don't miss the color of green. Don't let Metal Sonic get it. Or any villain. Or no people. Just get it and get it done. Good luck with that, Sonic. You just gotta do it. Shadow, Sonic, you have to do this. You're the ones who only get to bond, not us. You're the only ones. You have your family's blood. Because you're brothers. 2 young brothers. God, I'm only 25, guys. Come on. 25 and I'm... It's nearly our birthdays, isn't it? Shadow. Yeah, birthdays. Nearly our birthday. God, I wish my birthday went past. I miss my birthday now. Yeah, I'll miss mine as well. Mine's gone off. Yeah, we don't have to worry about our birthdays, really. We got this. Maybe we could do a Sonic birthday video, or Shadows. Ooh, I can think about that. Alright, that's it. That's the meeting's over now. Okay, you can end the video. Thank you guys for watching. And, I'm letting Sonic, because he's captain. I'm gonna go now, Captain Sonic. See ya, Sonic. So, what's your plan, Sonic? My plan is... we just have fun. At the house for now. The plan is... to just... be a family here. For now. Be a normal people. Until Saturday, we're getting the green color in Chinatown. See you guys. See you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit like. And one more thing, guys. And I'm giving a shout out to a new person who subbed this channel and commented. Thank you, Amber Rose. Cool name. And hope you shout us back. And here's the shout out to you. And you're awesome. You're the speed. And you're the ultimate life form, actually. Ultimate life form, yeah. And cool as well. Cool channel as well. Nice. Nice as well. Okay, guys, and that will be the end of our video right here. Yeah. See you guys. Okay, Knuckles. See you guys next time, and goodbye. Bye, guys. Bye.